company Black Sheep offers a solution that brings to mind the show Pimp My Ride. For example, consider storage systems. We find that some pickup trucks have a lot of space behind the taillights. This space can be used not only for food and water, but also for sporting equipment, fishing rods, and even firearms. Everything is protected from water and dust, and thanks to the smart design, the system can't be opened accidentally while driving and the taillights remain fully functional. Perhaps the only drawback is the price. Toyota Hux's system price is his $3,700.
Now let's take a look at some enhancements for off-road enthusiasts who love pickup trucks. In this example, the customer received a nice rack to store her 2 spare tires and a unique box that stands on top of her 4 remotely controlled supports. The skilled team also incorporated a system to store and pump 60 liters of water. We also installed an air compressor, 2600W inverter, and 200 a battery. These upgrades make this modified pickup truck ready for both work and leisure.
Take out your toolbox, put a collapsible ladder inside it, and give it to someone who needs it. This is a simple recipe for a successful deck and has proven to be very effective. In fact, a version designed for the F-150 pickup truck sells for his $1,100. This model has a large capacity of 280 L and can carry 227 kg of weight. This box is made of molded polymer, making it waterproof and easy to wash your car. For the ladder, Deck chose reliable 6000 series aluminum alloy.
Imagine a pickup truck full of merchandise arrives at the scene, but there is no equipment to help unload the merchandise. That's where the wiper lift vehicle comes into play. They offer a solution that eliminates the need for you to keep waiting or sitting backwards. These lifts are easy to install and simply attach to your tow hitch without any modification. Furthermore, it ensures safe loading and unloading even on uneven terrain. The V1000 model can handle loads up to 340 kg and can also operate on pallets.
SherpTek's team of experts is dedicated to improving the lives of pickup trucks and their owners. They've come up with some great upgrades, one of which is the bed of this truck. Weighing only 136 kg, it is the lightest option available on the market. The use of advanced aerospace materials and technology makes it extremely versatile and allows you to transform a regular truck into a small camper. The company builds custom HE platforms for pickup trucks of all manufacturers, regardless of year of manufacture. His 3D model of the car after transformation is shown to help visualize the transformation. You can also request custom features such as special facades or integrated solar panels. The only problem is that the waiting list extends until August next year.
Do you know how fast Ford sold his F-150 pickup truck? 2 cars per minute. It's just his one model for one company. Think about everyone who owns a pickup truck. Many of them may be considering upgrading in the future. For example, why not convert your pickup into a dump truck? This upgrade kit will retail for approximately $1,700. This allows pickup owners to raise and lower the tipper body up to 45 degrees in just 10 seconds. Can withstand loads up to 2 tons. The good thing is that once the kit is installed, the basic appearance of the pickup remains the same. Unfortunately, it is not suitable for all pickup trucks.
The DC world has Batman and Robin, and the pickup truck world has Solis and Cor. This team is doing great work to change the way we look at pickup trucks. As you can see, Solis is a foldable cover with a solar panel, and Cor is an energy storage system. Thanks to Solis, the Cor Standard Edition can be charged in just 2.5 hours. The stored energy can be used to charge a laptop approximately 30 times or run a refrigerator for 11 hours. As a result, Solis and Cor owners use less electricity, helping to protect the environment.
Once upon a time, there was a company called Flatted. Like many other companies, they were making things like plastic truck toppers. But one day, the people at the company came up with a brilliant idea. Why aren't these toppers foldable? This is how the air topper was born. When all folded up, this soft hem topper easily fits into your backpack. Once released, your pickup truck turns into a cozy mobile home. Air toppers harden within minutes of being inflated using a regular pump. Equipped with windows, doors, pockets, and hooks, perfect for camping enthusiasts. You can get an air topper for your Ford Maverick for just $1,100.
The Detroit tow truck sales team is improving our tow trucks to make them bigger, tougher, and smarter. One of the products the company offers is the low loader system. Once installed, it will give your tow truck a competitive edge. The main feature of the low loader is its incredibly shallow loading angle, making it one of the smallest on the market. This means that even sports cars with low ground clearance can drive comfortably on this platform. Additionally, the loading angle can be customized according to customer needs. The standard low loader kit includes a winch with a capacity of 3.6 tons and a winch cable with a length of 23 meters. The platform can easily handle 9.1/2 tons. Best of all, Detroit Wrecker Sales offers a lifetime warranty on all pins and bushings.
Just grab the handle, pull, and watch your luggage effortlessly slide towards you. This is such an obvious solution that you might wonder why no one, the manufacturer of the Bedslide, his platform, had thought of it before. But other than that, Bedslide is great for a few reasons. First, it takes less than an hour to install, and top-of-the-line models can handle a lot of cargo. These platforms work with a wide range of vehicles, from the 1970S to the present. You can check the website online to see if your car is compatible. The Bedslide S platform is designed to carry a load of 450 kg and retails for $1,200.
What could be easier than moving the bed of a truck? But companies that take these steps are working hard to stay ahead of their competitors. We did our best and came up with this gem known as the FlipStep, What's amazing about the FlipStep is that it costs $500. Perhaps it's the folding design that doesn't wobble while driving. Or perhaps it's the step's ability to withstand up to 136 kg of weight. The manufacturer may also offer a lifetime warranty and cover repairs if something goes wrong. However, here's the problem. FlipStep is not compatible with all pickup trucks. At the end of the day, more questions than answers remain.